We're about to teach you 3 techniques for beginners that any level can use. We're going to teach you the fundamentals of these 3 precise moves. And what we want you to do is add a little bit of your own sauce to it. Are you ready to cook, Tito?
Yes.
All right, here we go. Okay, to start off, we're not going to bore you with the 1-2 the way that everyone explains it, because everyone does that. They say, all right, guys, put your hands together, and then we're going to say 1, 2. Okay, you're going to make the punches perfect. You're going to say 1, 2. You watch a lot of fights, don't you? And have you ever seen anyone say, all right, come on, fight?
Never.
Never, right? The reason why is because it's not realistic, okay? When you're landing the 1-2, it's all about the rhythm. So you have the fundamentals down. I'll give them that. 1, 2. But the rhythm is dot, dot. That's the rhythm. Dot, dot. All right? So instead of me saying 1, 2, same thing, same principle, same stepping into it, same turning the back knee, same knuckle down, same protecting my chin with my shoulder. Everything's the same, but I just changed my rhythm. So it's a dot, dot. That's it. That's the fundamentals of the 1-2. Gang, you know how we like to rock over here. We like to use the proverbial center line, right? So I don't care if the line is here or if the line is not. I don't care if you're sparring or you're fighting. You're going to use that proverbial center line. So, Tito, let's step to the left. My left, your right. Bang. Watch, I still do the same thing. Bang, bang. Good. Step to the right. My right, your left. Bob, you see it still in the middle? Bang, bang. Ooh. Step again this way. Watch. Bob, watch my 1-2. Dang, dang. All right? I always keep the same principles. It's all about the rhythm on this shot. So you got that. Bang, bang. That's the rhythm. Bang, bang. Beautiful. Now, guys, once you get that down, it's so many things that you can add to that. That's the beauty of real Muay Thai, right? That's the beauty of the way that we teach it. I'm not going to give you a million combinations. I'm not going to say, okay, in this channel, we're going to teach you 1-2, low kick. No. We're going to give you the 1-2 just like we did, and we're going to let you cook. But I'm a nice guy. I'm going to give you a few attacks that you can use after you land that 1-2. All right, that's what I'm going to give you. First move that we give you, it's about distance. After you land your shots, it depends on the distance of your opponent. That will determine what you do. All right, so let's do it. A real good defensive guy, he's going to back up after that, right? So I say, that, good. From there, I leg kick, boom, or a body kick, bang, because you have the distance. At the beginner level, 9 times out of 10, they're not going to back up. They're going to put their hands up. They're going to stay in the same spot. So that's what we do right here. That's when you do this one. So don't back up like the beginner would do. They're just going to put their hands up. They might not even do that. But if they do, uppercut, bang, hook, bang. That's the movement. Bang, bang, uppercut, hook. Bang, bang, uppercut, hook. Remember, keep that line in the middle of you. That's going to give you much more balance and much more power. Let's try it again, Tito. Up to you. The thing is, he has decent defense. Even though he might not be trying per se, it's in his nature to cover up and protect. I'm telling you guys, as an owner of my own facility, I see beginners come in all the time. And that's one of the things that they have problems with. The punches in bunches. So if you're giving guys the 1-2 real fast, they're going to leave something open. And that's when you uppercut, get his head up. That's what they're going to do. Uppercut, bang, and then hook. Wham! Easy enough. Let's show them again the way that they do it, Tito. That's how it's going to be, right? So we tell you guys, close the window. They don't have the sauce like you do. So you, real quick, pop, pop. Oh, my God. And then you uppercut, bang, bang. And remember, if they do back up, because a lot of times the beginners, they're doing that hoppity run, all that crazy stuff. They're scared to engage. You just chase them down with the long-range weapon. So remember, they stand their ground, uppercut, hook. They try to jump out, use a long-range weapon, body kick or leg kick, but you're going to use this one. Here we go. So they move back a little bit. So I haven't touched them yet, so I'm not going to touch them yet. Bob, hey, okay, there we go. Bang, bang, there you go. Bang. Woohoo! Stanley. That's what you're going to do. Bang, bang, they jump back, leg kick. Bang, bang, they don't jump back, uppercut, big hook. Slam it. Balance. When I uppercut, no, mighty. Uppercut. Boom. When I hook, turn. I'm close now, so I can wham, really put that power in there. Valiente. Bang. Kang-rang. Strength. Strong. The next move that we're going to teach you, you already have the 1-2. That's a phenomenal starter move for any level that would be effective. The next one is the Teep, the front Teep. So here we go. Remember, any level can use this, but we're gonna give you a couple of chingamadoohas to use in collusion with it. Here we go, big words. With the teep, especially at the beginner level, I noticed that a lot of times people get crowded, right? Especially during sparring. They come in sparring and they panic. They're trying to teep from here, right? And they crowd themselves and it ends up looking ugly, not good, muy mua. All right, so with the teep, you want to make sure that you have good distance. You want to make sure that you're putting the weight on the back foot, not off the ground, gang, because you're going to lose balance like that, right? Not only that, it's easy to parry. So I'm off the ground and he parries. Boom. Oh, now what? Versus if my back foot off the ground, he parries. Look, I parry, pop, you pop. Good, move. Ooh wee. All right, I have better balance. We're going to teach you to use this as more of a defensive weapon to start off with. All right, but stick around because we're going to teach you how to capitalize off that defensive teep. Hands up, bop, he teeps. Yep, there we go. So when you're doing your sparring or your fights, that's what you're going to do to land that teep, right? You're not going to let them crowd you. If they get past that lead hand, you're going to have to take a half a step back. This is what we mean. Hands up, bop. If they get past this lead hand, don't move. I'm past that lead hand, right? You can't teep from here. You take a half a step back, bop, and teep from there. That's how you do it. So remember, half a step back, teep. So let's run through it a couple times. Teep, good. Bop, bop, there we go, right? So now you got that established. This is what you're going to do to make them pay. Once they try to bulldoze you per se or bully you or get past that lead hand at an aggressive pace, you're going to go fake teep. So you're going to use the same momentum, the same mechanics, same principles, but you're just going to throw the fake in there. Again, bop. Pop, there we go. There we go. After the fake, I want you to decide any movement that you want to do. You can either teep again, you can either front knee, rear knee, left kick, it doesn't matter. You can even 1-2 like we just gave you in the first exercise. Key is to sell that 1-2 just like you did the normal teep. Which move are you going to choose, Tito? Let's see what you got to pick. All right, a teep, good. I'm still aggressive. He just teeped me. I'm not going to give up that easily, especially at that beginner level. They're not thinking. They're more buffalo head. They just want to eat. There you go. Ooh, Stanley. He got me for real. Let's go. One more again. What you got to pick? He teeps, bomb, good distance, right? I come back again. Bop, there you go. So that was a pull lead hand to head kick. That was a head kick or high kick?
Head kick.
That was a head kick. High kick would be at your arms. All right, next up on the menu, a great technique for beginners that all levels can utilize to make their Muay Thai much better is the low kick. So we have the hands, we got the teep, and now let's do the low kick. I like to teach beginners the low kick because it's a little bit more easier. To me, it's not as effective in scoring as the body kick, but it's so much more easy to teach. It's like a layup versus a jump shot. Bars. With the leg kick, one, you want to have good distance. If I can touch you, I can kick you because my legs are longer than my arms. So obviously, everyone knows that. Touch, watch how I hop. Bomb. Bop, touch from my distance. Keep my hands up. I don't want to do this. I see beginners do this all the time. I don't want you to make this mistake. Kick. Boom, look. Right? No like tippity top. No, guys. Your body is a hard weapon that you're going to use to destroy them. It's their fault for getting in there with you. Watch what I do. Hop. This is the center line. Hopping off the center line. Watch, watch, watch. Wham. Again. Bop. Open the hip. Right? Push. Looking at my target. I'm going to aim for this band right here. I believe they call it the IT band. All right? I'm not going to hit with my foot. I'm going lower shin. I go lower shin to make sure that the distance is good. Not higher shin, because look how close I have to be. All right? So lower shin right there. Yap, and watch. Look where I'm at. That's one way. Or the fast leg kick. Bop. Watch. Boom. Bop. Look how far away I am. Look at my hands. Bam. Real fast. Real quick. Yep. Bop. Quick. Bam. Move. Bop. Bam. Easy enough. With that move, we want you to add your own sauce, add your own flavor. Hit us in the comment section. Let us know what you come up with when utilizing this move. The first move that we're going to teach you to apply, to utilize with the leg kick game, is going to be leg kick, hook, leg kick. Let's go, Tito. He leg kick, bomb, pop, wham. Good distance. Remember, you don't want to be here because you're going to get hit with that number 2. So one more time, Tito. Go slow. Pop, good. All right, he didn't say it, but I'm gonna say it for him. When you're doing the first low kick, it's not gonna be a super hard low kick because we're doing this during sparring or in a fight, and they train this like you train. So it's gonna be the fast leg kick, big slap hook. Then when they're off balance, you can go with the harder leg kick. Nobody's gonna stand there and just let you load up. Nobody that trained, they're gonna block, they're gonna move, right? So that's where the fast one comes in. It's a quick one, boom, pop, bam. Just like that. You're gonna go fast leg kick, the quick one, pat. Take your time, slap hook, boom, get them off balance, big one, boom. Fast leg kick, Liam Harrison, smack with that hook, chop down leg kick, all right? Porcelain Sitmanchai. What you got, two pick? So he whap, good, whap, pop up, like. Very good. And remember, guys, this is a game of bravado, machismo. Somebody land a good leg kick like that, take eye. You don't want to, No. Take out. Yep. I like. I like. Yep. There's a bomb. All right. Don't go out like that, bro. Tap it. I like. Come on. Do it again. Wham. Give it back to him just as hard. So that's only a snippet of the full version that's now available on the KMA online Muay Thai drills and workouts program. To get registered for 4 tiers of authentic Muay Thai, all you have to do is hit the link in the pinned comment or the description.